Okay, quick minute with the Banish 30 multi-caliber suppressor from the folks over at Silencer Central is who sold me mine. You get the instruction book, you get the kind of Allen key tool, you get a sticker, you get end cap, right? And then you get the device. Now the Banish 30, this device, you can cut it off right here. So it could be a 7-inch or a 9-inch. If you're shooting the heavier calibers, you probably want to run the full Monty. If I'm running my 22-250 or 6.5 or 6.5 PRC, I'll probably run the 7-inch version and then use that supplied end cap to close up the end. Overall, really a well-made product. Took me 7 months. Your individual results may vary. Bye-bye.